Okay, if you want to change out your old horn system, see, like here's my old one right there. And what you want to do, I got the little Woolies, wolo, I guess it's called. They 12-volt horns. Take your line that you had your old horn hooked up to right here. Tie into the red, and then on the black one, just ground it somewhere. Now I bought 2 of them, so what you want to do is the same thing. Just get you a little longer wire, red, black. So just tie in the red right here. Take your black, ground it, and I'll let you see how it sounds. That's it.